What's up, y'all? My name is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today, I'm going to be giving you an unboxing of a wig that I bought off AliExpress for my birthday. This is going to be interesting. I've never bought a wig off AliExpress, so I hope it fits my big old head. Say about a week ago, I had the great idea to buy a wig for my birthday, which is in a week. And I wanted a nice wig, so I want to say trolling, but I went excavating on YouTube and I found the Allove Body Wave lace front pre-plucked human hair wig. And it's a Brazilian body wave. It's supposed to be 13 by 6 inch frontal, and then it has 1 inch at the back to attach to the back of your head if you wanted to like put it up or something. So I bought it from the Allove official store. It's 22 inches long. It has 180% density, and I opted for 7-day delivery. I ended up paying $151 for the wig. The shipping was free, and I got a $3 off coupon, but then with tax, it all came up to $161.81. So let's show, I'm gonna show you the wig. I already opened the packaging. So it just came up in this FedEx bag. So it really did come in 7 days. I ordered it on Friday and it showed up yesterday, but I didn't get to the door in time. So I had to go pick it up from FedEx after it got back to the main facility. So it really did take 1 week to ship. So I'm really happy about that because I have a lot to do to this wig in order for me to be able to wear it next weekend for my birthday. So it comes in this cute little purple satchel, this little drawstring bag. And then you pull it out and the wig is right here. So on the top it says 22 inches and then it has all the information here, like 180% density, average, natural body wave color. Okay. So then we're gonna open it. It comes with a wig cap. So we have a wig cap. And then we also have a scratch off coupon to get a prize. So maybe I'll scratch it. Maybe I'll win something. Let's get to the reason we're all here, the actual wig. So like I said, this wig is 22 inches long. It has a nice little wave to it. And it is a 13 by 6 frontal. Now what I didn't know is that it's only a middle part. So right in here it's just this thin part that's lace, but it goes pretty far back, so I'm not really worried about that. It said that it's pre-plucked, but the sides look very they're a little robust, so I'm probably gonna have to pluck them and like customize this wig to my head. And you can definitely see the knots, so I'll probably have to bleach those knots as well. I do wish that I got it in a longer length, but that is on me. Yeah, that's all. It doesn't really have a smell. It smells like hair. I don't know, everybody always says, oh, it smells. It smells like if you were to buy hair, that's what it smells like. It smells like that hair. It's not really shedding. It's only a little bit of hair has come out and the ends look pretty good. I am not going to be putting this on my head now, obviously, because I haven't braids, but I am going to do a lot of customization to this wig, and you guys will see that in my next few videos. This wig is going to be, it's a doozy, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my wig stand so that you guys can see, and I'm going to try to customize the parting space and as well as the front so that when I put it on, we don't look like Samurai Sam, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so I have put this wig on my mannequin head and I'm just using some random Revlon tweezers to pull out some of the knots in the front so that we can get this hairline looking a little less stiff. Right now it's giving me the Great Wall of China and I need it to be giving me beach waves, okay? But so you basically just see me going around the hairline, just trying to make it a little bit thinner. It's very difficult because there's literally like less than 1 millimeter of space before it goes into tracks because they tricked me. I thought this was a full closure and it's not. Anyway, I zoomed in so that you guys can see how it is getting a little bit thinner. I took out some of the baby hair and I'm plucking between the baby hair and the tracks so that it can be a little bit thinner that way. It's gonna take a while. It took me probably about 30 minutes to do the whole frontal. I'm pretty sure if it was a full frontal, it might have taken me longer. And you can see here that I'm making a little bit of progress, but guys, I really don't have that much space to work with. Where that, you see that harsh line, that is where the tracks start. So it looks a little bit better, but you know, that's as good as I can do. And you can see that those knots are pretty gnarly too. They're so thick. So it's really, that was another reason why it was a little bit hard to pluck these. But we're getting somewhere. Alright, now I'm going to do the other side. And now I'm just going to pluck in the middle of the part. So it's not as thick. And for this, I'm just taking out a little bit of hair in the front. And then once I get further back, I'm just going to pick up like a few strands and pull them out. And that is about it. Be sure to watch my next video where I bleach the knots and color this wig. It's going to be a good one. It might be long. I already filmed it. I haven't edited it yet though, but it's going to be a really good one. I think you guys will like it. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Subscribe, share this video. Be sure to follow and click the notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.